Welcome back to my channel. This is just a short film, so hope you enjoy it. I remember like it was yesterday. The first day we can finally go back outside. It was incredible. The air just felt different.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll
We could go anywhere. We could do anything. Nobody tells you if you're stuck inside and can't go outside, it would feel great. All our thoughts and our ideas captured in a box, waiting to go outside. It was horrible, trapped inside. Knowing that people are dying, it's sad. I don't even want to think about it. But staying inside, this pandemic, this virus, there are all these quarantine stuff. It's good to stay inside. It's one way to stop spread the virus, the coronavirus. Stay inside. So this is just a short film, not necessarily meaning you're supposed to go outside. Even though our ideas and our thoughts kind of captured indoor, and who doesn't want to go outside and explore and smell fresh air and just have a great time. So until then, comment, like, subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Be safe.